This is your BMW M Motorsport update from the streets of Detroit. In the fifth round of the 2025 IMSA WeatherTech Championship, BMW M Team RLL finished just shy of the podium. The 24 BMW M Hybrid V8 crossed the line in fifth place, while the 25 car was classified seventh after a post-race penalty. It was a tough sprint race. For the first time this season, BMW missed the podium in a short-format event. Both cars started strong, third and fourth on the grid, but couldn't move forward in the tight Detroit street circuit. Sheldon van der Linde and Dries van Thor showed solid pace in qualifying, ending van Thor's streak of 4 consecutive poles. But race strategy and a crowded field made gains difficult. In the GTD PRO class, the Paul Miller Racing BMW M4 GT3 Evos had a rough day. The one car faced technical issues and finished 11th. The 48 fought hard for a podium, but a late collision and penalty dropped it to 7th. Despite setbacks, BMW M Motorsport remains focused. Team principal Andreas Roos said, "We'll regroup, analyze, and fight back at Watkins Glen." Next up, Watkins Glen. Will BMW bounce back? Stay tuned. Follow for more automotive news updates, and don't forget to like and share if you love World Cars news.
World Cars.